I'm not sure how loud I'm talking. That was fun. Holy fuck ball. What is up, guys? It is September 12th. We are about to hit up. We're gonna try to get to some waterfalls. I know there's this trail that leads to the falls. And then see the other girl? We're gonna hit up some twisties maybe with her. We're gonna do some hooligan stuff, but it's gonna be a fun day. I'm also gonna, some other stuff's gonna happen. I'm not gonna tell you yet, but you'll see. But yeah, let's fucking do this today. Let's do this.
Yours and Alicia, listen, I'm telling you, it's my world. I does what I wish to. If you're mad, well, too bad. Sounds like a personal issue. I walk.
September 12th, I already told you guys that, but you know where we're going. We're gonna find these waterfalls. There's waterfalls around here somewhere. We gonna get them, girl. We gonna get them. But guys, I have a lot of fun vlogs planned. I have a lot of fun stuff I want to do. Like, I never know. I don't have time to do it, man. I'm trying to do military videos. I want to do vlogs. I gotta do school. I gotta do work. I gotta have, you know, I got my girlfriend. I got everything that I gotta do. Yo, what up, guys? We made it to the falls. We're gonna hike the shit out of this mountain. Let's do it. We are on the trail again. Dun, 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 dun. Just can't wait to get on the trail again. What up, fam? So, you know, last time I was ranting, a couple of vlogs ago, I was ranting about Gray, about my husky, about her. I was saying how huskies are so high maintenance. They're super high maintenance, but I wasn't really saying the good things. Huskies are so, this is one of the positives. If you're a really active person, if you love to hike, run, go on adventures, and have a lot of energy, if you're a high energy person, husky is a perfect dog for you. Because they are the most high energy dog in the world. And they will hike and run for hours and hours and hours, and it's fucking awesome. And I love it. And yeah, and we're still trying to find these waterfalls. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey, do you know how to get to the waterfalls by any chance?
Yeah, I sure do.
I don't know which trail to take.
Well, you continue on this trail, it'll go up the canyon, then come back right over there.
Okay.
And when you get to the top, right there where you see the sign, you go down to the teepee, turn right, and you'll see a sign that says turn right, and there'll be a sign down there that'll say Wildwood
okay.
Paradise Falls.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Okay, sure.
Have a good one.
You too.
Guys, I found a fucking teepee. I don't really know what to say, other than it's a pretty cool teepee, I guess. All right, well, still gotta find the waterfalls. What is up, guys? So we made it to the falls. It's kind of like what I expected. Kind of like polluted, beautiful California, Southern California water in the dry drought. But it's cool. I'm not gonna let Gray drink any of it, but yeah, we made it to the falls, and we gotta get back, man. That's a long-ass hike. Finally back to the car. Fuck, let's go home. Up. All right, guys, we are home. Time to ride the motorcycle. Mom, do not kill me. I'm kidding. I just went up the hill. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then we're gonna ride. All right. Oh, Miss Millie. Hi, baby. How are you, Millie? She is such a good kitty. You are such a good kitty. She's the bravest cat. She stands up to this one all the time. Huh. She is such a good cat. Like, she does not back down from that dog. She goes. Alright, bud. I'll be right back. Now we're ready to go ride. Alright guys, now we are ready to ride. What is up, fam? We are going to run some errands real quick for the Griffey. Got to pick up some things at the store, and I finally got all this set up. Man, I'm so stoked. I got my camera set up to my helmet. I got my new mic set up in my helmet, so I can do this live. I don't got to record over. I love that, man. Yeah, we're gonna get into some trouble. So yeah guys, I'm super stoked though. If you guys enjoy motor vlogs and motorcycles and all that, there's going to be a lot more of that on my channel, definitely. And fuck these speed bumps, and we stand up, go over. But yeah, a lot of motor vlogs coming up, depending on this quality, how it is. If you guys like it, the feedback I get, if it's good, then yeah, definitely. Yeah, we got to get to the store without dying is the goal. Damn, who's in this car? It's a mom. It's a mommy. Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. It's hot, yo. I want to open my face shield, but I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh, green light. 0 to 60, acceleration. Oh, shit, yo, I missed second gear. I just missed second gear. Like, fucking red bomb the fuck out of my bike right there. Oh, man, dude, I'm gonna get a ticket. The popo's gonna get me right in the booty hole. I missed my turn, though. Fuck. Fuck it. Oh shit, Mercedes. You do not want to hit this Mercedes. It's very expensive. We in the front. Here's a homie. This is a fellow rider. He's got that Harley though. And I'm out of here. Where's Office Depot? Oh fuck, red light. Skirt. I need a green light, please. Please give me a green light. Please give me a green light. 1, 2, 3. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so. And yes, I know, folks. Thank you. Fucking, what song is that? Outcast? Yes, we are here. It's CVS. Here. Time to whip out the other camera now so I can take you in with me. Alright guys, we made it to CVS. I gotta get, look what I gotta get. Look what she's making me get. Can you read this? I am in every man's favorite aisle. What, I don't even know what kind, I don't even know what this is. Makeup remover I can find. Alright guys, we are out of CVS. Back to my girl, Victoria. I'm gonna go home. We're gonna get back on the bike and I'm gonna edit this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Many more to come. I'm gonna try to pump out more vlogs. My schedule is crazy busy, but I appreciate all the positive feedback. Keep doing it. See you guys.